How to change your birthday on Twitter. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change your birthday on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to change your birthday on Twitter, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all just make sure to launch the Twitter application that you can find it over here. Once you launch the Twitter app, you're going to see this type of interface where you have to tap the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen, then go to this option known as profile. When you come to profile, here you'll find this option called edit profile. Tap on the edit profile button there. As you tap on edit profile, right over here you'll find birth date, so you want to make sure to select it. Change it to the specific one that you wish over here. Just tap on the edit option and make sure to change the date of birth. Tap on the continue option and your changes will be successfully saved as well. This way you can change your birthday on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.